For art today, we are going to be drawing an owl together. So get your paper and your pencil ready and let's begin. All right, boys and girls, we're going to get started drawing our owl, and we're just going to be using some simple lines and shapes for this. I have my paper vertical, as you can see. I'm going to draw mine with a marker so it's easier for you to see, but you should be doing your drawing in pencil. And then if you want to outline it with a marker afterwards, once you like the way your drawing looks, then you can go ahead and use a marker. So I'm going to do a curved line going across the top of my paper here. That's going to be my owl's head. And then I'm going to make a big U shape coming down and around. Okay? Now I'm going to make my owl's beak, the triangle, and I'm going to make his ears here. So you could do triangles or you could do kind of like an oval shape. Like that. Owls have big eyes, so I'm going to make two big circles. If you have something at home that you want to trace to make your circle, you could use that, or you can just go ahead and freehand draw them. And I'm actually going to make a couple circles inside. One. There we go. And I'm going to do my owl's wings next. Now it's like his wings are tucked into his sides here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'll add his feet. Zigzag line. Okay. And I'm going to add a couple line patterns on his wings. And I'm going to do a wavy line here. You could do any kind of line you want. We've practiced so many different types of lines in the last couple of weeks, so it's totally up to you. There we go. And I think I'm going to add a branch that my owl's going to be standing on. See how I stopped the line and then continued it over here so it looks like my owl is in front of the branch. I could add some leaves. Okay. And since I have my black marker in my hand already, I'm going to color in the medium circle. I'm going to leave the smallest one white. So after you get your owl drawn, it's totally up to you what type of materials you use at home. You could use crayons to color the whole thing. You could use markers, or if you have watercolor paint, you could use paint and crayons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple stars in the sky. Make it look like it's nighttime because our owls are nocturnal, which means they're awake at night and they sleep during the day. So I'm making these stars because then when I do my painting, they're going to kind of glow in the sky. I could also add to my lines here with crayon because same thing, once I paint this, they'll stand out. I'm going to make my owl kind of colorful and fun, but it's totally up to you. If you wanted to make it more natural colors, maybe some browns and grays, you could do that. So when you finish your owl, you can add it to your Artsonia account if you know how to do that, or you could have an adult at home help you take a picture of it and send it to me in an email, and I will add it to your account. All right, can't wait to see your owls. I will see you guys on Zoom on Thursday.